Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Accenture hiring news, big updates. We have good news related to Accenture hiring. What about the current onboarding process? In the video, we will discuss about 21 to 25 batch status and 25 to 28 batch status as well. Okay, so let's start the video. Like and share the video. Before starting the video, one most important point, we already created lot of videos for Accenture 2025 batch as well, 2024 batch as well, and free interview preparation are there with the selected candidate experience. So we are definitely sharing each and every update with all of you for free. Okay, and I have an idea. Okay, like many candidates are waiting for particular company hiring that is related to Accenture, Capgemini, TCS, Infosys. So I have an idea. We will come up with one series, okay, hiring series video, in which we will share the hiring status of all company. What are the roles, salary and hiring timeline, exam and interview free preparation, both on and off campus hiring process. So if you want companies, if you want MNC's hiring process video, please mention in the comment section that please upload upload the MNC hiring process video. Okay, so I will come up with different companies hiring process, what are the roles, salary and hiring timeline, basically in which month they will hire, hiring calendar, like. So this series will definitely helpful for everyone, and definitely I will come up with that series. Okay, let's discuss about the one most important point, the current hiring active, that is off campus. Okay, there are two type of hiring in which Accenture hire, off campus and on campus. Okay, so if I'm talking about the off campus, so two hirings are active, PADA, Package App Development Associate, and System Application Service Associate, SA. So if you are from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MC, MSc, any year of pass out till 24, if you are from 2020, 21, 22, 23, okay, 24 and previous batches also, you can apply for this hiring, because they mention any year of pass out till 24, and this hiring is active. There is no last date to apply not mentioned. In the same SASA hiring, you can apply pass out till 2024. Okay, so this hiring is active in the off campus, and you can access this hiring links from this. So I will share the link with all of you in the description. You can check that. If you are eligible, you can apply for opportunity. One most important point, if you are particularly in the test or interview process, suppose you given the first or second round and you are waiting for next interview round, so don't apply again. If you are at interview stage, don't apply again, because you are in the process. Suppose if your cooling period is over and you applied for opportunity previously, but at that time you not selected, so you can try to apply again. Okay, the thing is, for 2024 batch, or we can say that for previous batches, there is a biggest news from Accenture, ramping up hiring in India, focus on freshers, say Accenture CEO Julie Sweet. Okay, so IT services and consulting firm Accenture is ramping up its hiring efforts in India. It is posted by one of the news platform, credits goes to them, with a continuous focus on fresher. Company CEO Julie Sweet has said, Sweet, Accenture chair and chief executive officer, during investor call, that company commitment to recruiting new college graduate and refreshing its workforce pyramid. So new college graduate means we have 2025 batch. Okay, we have previous batches 24. So if I'm talking about 21 to 24 batch, hiring is already active in the off campus. You can anytime you can apply for that opportunity. For 25 batch, we are waiting for off campus. She said a majority of this new hire will be concentrated in India. This is very much good point, which is seen as significant growth into fiscal year 2025. Okay, so the company operates a September to August fiscal calendar. Okay, so we can expect a lot of hiring, okay, for the 2025 batch. And for the freshers batches, they mentioned that we are hiring primarily in India. A lot of that hiring is technology in India. Okay, so that you got kind of new college graduates coming in. We hire all over the world in technology. Okay, and we are seeing now and going into FY25, that is lot of hiring in India, Sweet said. So it is a very big news, big update for the freshers batch. If I'm talking about the 24 and previous batches, so your new hiring will be come up soon. Okay, and definitely they will share the off campus and on campus hiring updates. Okay, so the thing is, okay, they clearly mention that how many number of employees they have, okay, how they will hire. So this thing, So if I'm talking about the off campus hiring, so there are two roles: PADA, that is same as AAC, okay, SASA 3.4 LPA, that is for non-tech, Advanced Associate Software Engineer 6.5 lakh on campus, HEC-DIVA, PADA, SASA, that is for women candidates, and Innovation Challenge, that is currently for 25, 26, 27 and 28 batch. Okay, so the thing that I have to mention, just to see this video, I already created the video for Accenture Innovation Challenge, in which I clearly mentioned 25 to 28 batch is eligible 2 weeks ago, but now the registration is closed. Okay, so the thing is, we are sharing, always we are sharing the genuine opportunity. If I'm talking about 21, 22, 23 batch till 24 batch, all hirings like first phase, previously many candidates are selected and many candidates are applying for opportunity through off campus. Okay, one most important point that I have to mention, if you are from 25 batch or previous batches, okay, like if your hiring is shown on the portal and it's the official notification, then you have to apply for opportunity. Don't apply on the wrong link, okay, and with the like suppose your batch is not eligible, okay, but in the form it is shown that 25 batch is there, okay, like in the form 25 year is there and you are applying, so it is totally wrong because your batch is still not eligible. And Accenture following the cooling period and PAN card very seriously, okay, and you can only apply, like when you can apply, so you can only submit the PAN card one time. They have your details in their database and there is no option to remove that details, okay, or withdraw the application. So that's the main thing. Okay, so if I'm talking about the 25 batch, so on campus hiring is announced and innovation challenge is announced. Okay, innovation challenge is announced, but we are waiting for the off campus, that is a one of the mass hiring. Okay, on campus hiring is announced and according to your college you will see the details. So just to understand, let's discuss about the Accenture onboarding updates, that is for previous batches 21 to 24 and 25 as well. So just to see that many candidates receive, hi sir, I got date of joining for September 30, this September 30. Okay, your channel helped me lot, thank you so much sir. PADA package 4.5, April 20 candidate applied for that, and August 27 date of joining. Okay, like date of joining means September 30 is the date of joining, but on the August 27 he got the update of date of joining. Gear up Accenture 30 September. Online learning channel have really helped me to achieve this milestone, thank you so much sir. Again there is a message from one candidate, hi bhaiya, I just want to let you know I have been shortlisted in Accenture and will be receiving LOI on campus. I want to thank you and your team for keeping us updated and motivated all the time with a valuable resource, thank you. Okay, this is the timeline that is shared by candidate. I am 2023 pass out, applied February 1 I applied, and finally September 30 Hyderabad location. Okay, just understand that, hi sir, I got a job at Accenture because of online learning YouTube channel. And this is the October 10 update from one candidate. I want to share some exciting news. I got a job at Accenture. It happened kind of randomly. One evening I was on Telegram checking an online learning channel where they have posted about Accenture hiring. Honestly, I was even in mindset to apply for any position for that time. I have been feeling confused and depressed after consistently applying and facing rejection. As a 23 graduate, I have been 1.5 year without job, so I was not feeling very optimistic and had stopped applying. But then I saw a message, this message. Okay guys, this message. Someone has posted in the channel about their journey. This person talked about getting placed in Accenture and shared the timeline. Okay, I don't know who they are, but their story moved me. I felt inspired by their experience. Okay, I am sharing this because I hope my journey might inspire someone else to keep going and take that extra step. If you are in tough spot, don't lose hope. You never know when the next opportunity will come. So candidates are selecting in the companies, guys. Okay, so the thing is, you have opportunity, you have to apply for opportunity. We are sharing the free preparation series. Okay, apply with follow our free preparation series and placed in the particular company. That's why I have an idea that we will come up with Accenture hiring process and other companies hiring process as well. Okay, so you will get to know about the idea, what are the roles, what are the everything. I hope you like the video. And if I'm talking about the onboarding again, so onboarding is according to their timeline, so you have to patiently keep wait. Okay, so I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching the video.